Top 6 Heart-Healthy Foods. Heart disease accounts for nearly 1/3 of all deaths worldwide. Diet plays a major role in heart health and can impact your risk of heart disease. In fact, certain foods can influence blood pressure, triglycerides, cholesterol levels, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Here are 6 foods that you should be eating to maximize your heart health. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are well known for their wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In particular, they're a great source of vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promote proper blood clotting. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure, decrease arterial stiffness, and improve the function of cells lining the blood vessels. Number 2. Whole grains. Refined carbohydrates increase the risk of coronary heart disease. Conversely, whole grains are protective. An extra 1 or 2 servings per day of these foods increases or decreases risk by approximately 10 to 20%. Multiple studies have found that including more whole grains in your diet can benefit your heart health. One analysis of 45 studies concluded that eating 3 more servings of whole grains daily was associated with a 22% lower risk of heart disease. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are jam-packed with important nutrients that play a central role in heart health. Berries are also rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect against the oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to the development of heart disease. Studies show that eating lots of berries can reduce several risk factors for heart disease. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to reduced levels of cholesterol and a lower risk of heart disease. One study looked at the effects of 3 cholesterol-lowering diets in 45 people with overweight and obesity, with one of the test groups consuming 1 avocado per day. The avocado group experienced reductions in LDL, or bad cholesterol, including lower levels of small, dense LDL, which is believed to significantly raise the risk of heart disease. Number 5. Fatty fish and fish oil. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been studied extensively for their heart health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish may have a protective role in the risk of developing heart disease and slightly reduce the risk of CVD events and arrhythmias. Another study showing that eating fish over the long term was linked to lower levels of total cholesterol, blood triglycerides, fasting blood sugar, and systolic blood pressure. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of fiber and micronutrients like magnesium, copper, and manganese. Research shows that incorporating a few servings of walnuts in your diet can help protect against heart disease. Evidence for cardiovascular disease prevention is strong for some varieties of tree nuts, particularly walnuts.